Good morning everyone and welcome to the Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching the opening bell and I'm Santosh Nair. Well, things don't seem to be going all that well for bulls in the new year so far, and they've been under pressure right from the first trading session of the day. So far this year, foreign institutional investors have sold close to $1 billion worth of shares, and that is putting pressure on prices. In today's trade setup, the SGX Nifty futures are indicating a firm start for Indian equities, although at this point the Nifty and sensex are showing slightly negative in pre-open trade. US markets ended higher, Asian markets too are firm at this point in time. The key triggers for today are the weekly options expiry, and later in the day we'll also have third quarter numbers from Infosys, HCL Technologies and Cyient. So once again IT shares are likely to be in the focus today. In the evening, the US will announce its consumer price inflation. That's something that's being eyed by markets across the globe, not just in the US and India. Now the expectations are that the CPI could further moderate to about 6.5% in December from 7% in November. So easing inflation means that probably the Fed would go slow on rate hikes. That's the general expectation of the market. Now in the F&O market, a quick take at some of the key moves. Max Financial, Hindustan Copper, HPCL and Tata Communications are seeing a build-up of long positions. At the same time, Adani Enterprises, Eicher Motors and Cipla have seen build-up of short positions. Futures of Hero MotoCorp, RBL Bank and M&M Financial and Indiabulls Housing Finance are seeing unwinding of long positions. Well, let's move on to the newsmakers this morning. Now, TVS Motor Company, the company has indicated its intent to invest about 1,000 crore in electric vehicles and internal combustion engine plant in Madhya Pradesh. Now, the stock has been range bound since October after it had made a record high of 1,194 rupees. Railtel Corp is the other stock in focus this morning. The company told the stock exchanges that it has bagged a 170 crore order from the Puducherry government. Reliance Industries too is expected to be in the limelight. Its arm Reliance Jio has launched 5G services in Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Hosur and Vellore. Jio has invested over 40,000 crore for deploying 5G network in Tamil Nadu. DB Realty has said that it will pay 185.6 crore as full and final settlement to Reliance Commercial. Its subsidiary Goregaon Hotel will also pay 214 crore as full and final settlement to the lender. And with that, let's move to the hot brokerage bets this morning. ITC has been rated as neutral by Nomura. Now the main reason it's saying is that the valuations are fair at this point in time, and also the demerger of its FMCG business, which the market has been pinning hopes on, that is unlikely to happen in any time in the near future. Besides that, the budget is also probably a near-term risk for the tobacco sector in general, because excise duty on cigarettes typically are increased in the budget, and this could act as a short-term negative for ITC. And let's move on to the stock takes, stocks that caught our attention. Now, Nykaa, this is one stock which has been in the limelight for more than 2 months now. Ever since its botched bonus share issued, it generated a lot of controversy, and the stock has been in a consistent downtrend for a while now. Now, Bloomberg has reported that there will be a block deal for about 1.42 crore shares. This will happen shortly after the market opens, and the deal is expected to happen at a 4% discount to Wednesday's closing price. Stock has been under pressure for quite some time now, and it's right now trading around 155 rupees. Bilcare is the other stock in limelight today. Now, Rekha Jhunjhunwala, wife of the late legendary investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, has sold her almost entire stake in the company. The stake sale happened on Jan 10th and Jan 11th. In 2 days, Rekha Jhunjhunwala has sold close to about 14 lakh shares. Now, interesting trend in the stock. It's been underperforming for quite some time now. Bilcare is into global clinical services and pharma packaging. Now, The quarterly numbers have been disappointing for quite some time now. In fact, the company has been making losses for quite a few quarters, which has also led to the stock underperforming. But since mid of December, there's been a lot of activity in the stock. Trading volumes in general have gone up. The stock has rallied by more than 50% from its low of about 52 rupees, and in the last couple of trading session too, despite the sale which happened through open market, the stock has been climbing. It's currently trading around 50 rupees. We don't have the full identity of the buyers, but it does seem as if the stock has been absorbed by high net worth individuals. Godrej Properties is the last stock on a watch list. CLSA has upgraded its rating on the stock to outperform from the underperform rating earlier. Now, Godrej Properties has also been one of the laggards in the real estate space. The stock is down by close to about 20% since August. The CLSA has said that it is bullish on the housing upcycle in the medium to long term. It's also said that housing growth is likely to moderate to about 10%, and office demand for office space may remain flat year on year. At the same time, it sees office demand picking up once physical attendance come closer to pre-COVID levels. Well, and with that, the market has opened. Nifty Bank is under pressure in early trade, while the Sensex and Nifty are trading slightly higher. The Nifty Mid Cap 100 is also flat at this point in time. Market breadth is positive. On the NSE, about 1500 stocks up, by close to about 400 stocks are down at this point in time. IT shares are trading higher in early trade. HCL Tech, Infosys among the gainers, and among non-IT stocks, ONGC, Power Grid are up by close to about 1% each. And well, with that, it's a wrap on this episode of Opening Well. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with you again at 3:30 p.m.